Hi everyone, welcome to the introduction for the Tabletop helper. So this is let's call it tryout, adding some augmented reality to your tabletop games. And I used it already a lot and I really liked it and probably you will also like it. So let's just dive into it. What is it? Um, you have an image of your tabletop table and you can just do line of sight from here to here. You get a distance, you see where the line of sight passes through, and you can easily measure. You can like draw a radius anywhere you want. So for example, if you want to have a 3-inch capture radius here, we can just do it like this. And that's basically the idea of this whole tool. So how to use it? This is the address you need, and you can just select a file. For example, let's take a very small one and click on Prepare Map. So this is basically aimed to be a dead zone, like 8x8 grid field. So you can just select all the four corners of this, like this. And then I can define the width, and that's 24 by 24 inches. And since we're talking about dead zone, I will switch on grid here and click on Prepare Map. We can also do this like for the big table. I'll just show it to you how it works. So here also again, select all the four edges of the table. And that's it. The size is already correct. Now we don't want to have the grid. Just click on Prepare Map and that's it. So I already prepared it here. So that's what we'll have from the first image. And since we have a grid here, we can select multiple line of sight algorithms. And one of the line of sight algorithms is the one I created. So example, from here to here, you see where the line of sight in grids goes along. And the idea of this algorithm is that you can basically compute it by hand. So just compare the X and Y distances and then go in small steps. So from here to here, you see it's a distance of 10 squares and you see where the line of sight would go through. So it goes clearly through this building. So you could not shoot through there. Let's check it from here to here, also through that building. From here to here, you see the line of sight passes right off on the right side of the building. So you have a line of sight here. You also can use the exact algorithm. It's just like taking the perfect line of sight and calculating where it comes through. You see we have now two different colored squares here because the line of sight passes exactly between them. So you have to choose one of them. And as you can see, this would still be blocked here. And we have also the exact distance now. In this algorithm, it's just counting the squares, so it's 11, but exact, this is 8.6. And we can also, of course, do this for the radius with the grid. So let's take something small, like a radius of 4. And you see this is, for my algorithm, a radius 4. We can also do the, let's call it adjacent one, which just counts all the steps in X and Y. We can do the exact one. See these two fields come there too. And of course, full, that's how that zone is doing the line of sight. So you count X, Y, or diagonal. And yeah, that's basically what you can do with the grids. And of course, you can do it without the grids. That's much, much easier. So we can just say, okay, we have someone standing here. We want to shoot here. And you see, okay, the line of sight might be possible. So if you move over here, we could be able to shoot. We have 25-inch. So if you have a unit that only has a 24-inch range, you should probably move over here to shoot. And yeah, so this makes measuring really easy. You don't have to do it on the battlefield. You can just try out from here to here, from here, and see where different line of sights go through. And for the radius, it's also pretty simple. Just say how big the radius should be and click on it. And that's it. So we can, for example, look for capture radius or like for movement radius. If we have a 12-inch movement and our unit is standing here, we see, okay, we can walk until there. Yeah, that's basically what this tool does. I hope some of you find this helpful, want to use it, it's completely free. Just try it out. Let me know what you think of it. And yeah, have fun. So again, you only need to take one picture of your tabletop table. Make sure to have all the corners included in the picture. And that's it. The rest is done in the tool. I hope you like it. Leave me some feedback. I'd be really happy to hear what you think. And yeah, see you with the next video.